I wish I could fly like a bird. I wish I had a magic carpet to travel the world. I wish chocolate grew on trees. I wish I could talk to animals. I wish I had a time machine to visit the future. I wish I could live in a castle. I wish every day was a holiday. I wish I could read people's minds. I wish I had a pet dragon. I wish I could be invisible for a day. I wish I could visit the moon. I wish I had superpowers like a superhero. I wish I could live underwater like a mermaid. I wish I could make everyone happy. I wish I had a robot to do my homework. I wish I could meet my favorite celebrity. I wish I could speak every language in the world. I wish I could teleport to different places instantly. I wish I had a treehouse in the clouds. I wish I could turn my dreams into reality. I wish I could make every meal a dessert. I wish I could see the northern lights. I wish I had an endless supply of ice cream. I wish I could swim with dolphins. I wish I could travel through space. I wish I could breathe underwater. I wish I could have a picnic on the moon. I wish I could control the weather. I wish I could meet people from the past. I wish I had a personal spaceship. I wish I could paint the sky with colors. I wish I could have a tea party with talking animals. I wish I could live in a fairy tale. I wish I could create my own amusement park. I wish I could make school only last an hour. I wish I could discover a hidden treasure.